1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes?
Hi, my name is Taylor Kramer, and I did my DSP mini project on bachata music. My inspiration for this project came from my experiences in the University Salsa Club. One thing I've noticed is that beginner dancers may learn the correct footwork with counting, but it takes some time to learn how to actually hear those beats in the music and apply it accordingly. I wanted to pull out some of the main instruments and frequencies that make up those beats in order to visualize the music in context of counts a bit better. For this project, I used one song, Corazon Sin Cara by Prince Royce, and did some filtering to separate out some important frequencies within it. My first step was to go to Audacity and figure out the frequency ranges I wanted to focus on. I found that the high percussion occurred mostly in the 5 kHz to 7 kHz range, where the low percussion occurred in the 300 to 600 Hz range. I then took this information and went to MATLAB, where I implemented my desired filters using the signal processing toolbox. For the low percussion, I used a bandpass filter with a passband of 300 to 500 Hz. Shown on this slide is the song on a timescale along with a plotted frequency spectrum. The original song is shown in blue, whereas the filtered song is shown in red. As you can see, the filter did a good job of isolating the frequency range I wanted. I then used another bandpass filter on the original signal with a passband of 5 to 5.3 kHz for the high frequency percussion. Here's a small sample of the original song. After implementing both of my bandpass filters in MATLAB, I created an output file that combined both filters. As can be seen from these zoomed-in graphs with a time length of 1/4 of a minute, the low percussion has a peak occurring once each 4 count on the 4, and the high percussion has a peak occurring on every count in the 4 count. Together, these peaks provide an adequate indicator of beats in the music to help a new dancer. The high percussion indicates when to take each step, which is aided by the low percussion beat indicating the end of a 4 count and suggesting the beginning of a new one. To expand this past a mini project, I would also create a user interface that would identify peaks within a certain threshold and indicate a step for dancers within the counts. However, that's the end of my mini project. Hope you enjoyed.